Start by creating a new composition in After Effects. Once done, type out your text and adjust its position to your preference. Go to the Effects and Presets panel, search for CC Smear, and drag it onto your text layer. Navigate to the Effect Controls panel and follow these steps. Add a keyframe at the start of your composition. Adjust the start point and end point to define the smear's direction and length. Move the playhead forward slightly and add a second keyframe. Select your keyframes, right-click, and choose Easy Ease. You can ASLO press F9. Open the graph editor to fine-tune the animation for a smoother, more natural look. To add the effect to additional letters, return to the Effect Controls panel and select the CC Smear effect. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate the effect. Adjust the new smear's start point, end point, and keyframes to apply the dripping effect to other parts of the text. Repeat the process for each letter or section of the text as needed, and there you have it, a creative dripping text effect. Adjust the drop line radius in the CC Smear settings to refine the dripping effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more After Effects tips and tricks. See you in the next video.